Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we are on location at my favorite family-owned diner in Burlington, North Carolina. Here we are at Skids II. This is a classic diner location with steaks, hamburgers, hot dogs, pizzas, baskets, gyros, the whole 9 yards. And I'm happy to bring you all along for the journey as we go in this classic diner and get a great meal for our stomachs. Here we have the sign on the side of the road, the classic and iconic burger basket logo, Skids II, steaks, hamburgers, hot dogs, and baskets. This is a classic style diner, again family owned. It does offer takeout options, so you can go in and order and carry out. You do not have to dine in. They do have classic bar stools to sit on while you are having your meal, and they also have booths and tables, which we'll see when we get in. And any restaurant that has "In God We Trust" on it is a win in my book. Now, with this being a very old school diner, it does not have a restroom on the inside side, but if you need to use the restroom while you are here, there's a side door that you go out, and the restrooms are on the side in the back corner on the outside side. And we have just ordered. We're going to look at the menu here. There is the address and the phone number, covered with local ads. We can open the menu here. They have plates, salads, pizza, subs, desserts, even have milkshakes. And if you guys want to study anything a little bit closer, you can pause the video. They have the classic hot dog and hamburger baskets. Even have corn dogs, combination dogs, hamburger, cheeseburger, double meat, triple meat, quarter pounder, chopped barbecue. They offer the classic diner baskets. They have side orders. And there you see the drinks that they offer. So a lot to choose from here at Skids II. And I just got my side salad that I will start with.
Dixie Street. Get it back.
And I am going to try to show everyone's plate here that we are getting today. Mom got a hot dog basket with onion rings, and she'll get some ranch to dip it in. But we are waiting for the rest of the food.
Sound like you. Yeah, we went there.
Second plate has arrived, and it is onion rings and a classic Americana cheeseburger. And here we have something that looks very delicious, the classic gyro. Again, you can get a little bit of everything here at Skids. And then my plate has also came as well. I got some classic crinkle cut fries, cheeseburgers with chili, and I will of course put a little hot sauce on it. But it is now time to dig in. Now, if you've never tried it, once you get your ketchup on your French fries, put some pepper on it. Gives you a nice little kick.
From the oh yeah.
I know Jeremy.
And crew, that food was delicious, so I am tapping out. Gonna finish my water and enjoy some good conversation.
Uptown on sidewalks and stuff.
They like to charge us, man.
Right?
I looked at it, so about 5. What's up?
How you been doing?
And that crew is going to wrap up our time at Skids 2 in Burlington, North Carolina. Now, please be aware that we arrived early so we could avoid the crowds, so I could get the footage that I showed you in today's video. I have been here on events and on weekends, and it has been standing room only, and you had to wait for a booth, a table, or a bar stool to where you could sit and place your order and get the delicious food that we have ate here today. I have been coming here since I was real little. Family, friends, and loved ones have all came here, and we love it. We know the owner, we know the staff, and the waitress. We have known them for years and years. And of course, smiles, memories, and laughter is always made when we come to Skids 2. And again, any restaurant that's got "In God We Trust" on it is great in my books. But hopefully it has given you all an idea on where to go. It's right here on one of the main drags in Burlington, North Carolina. You can see the sign right there. Of course, at night it's lit up nice and pretty. Really love the retro feel here, and again, it is family owned. Now, I know Burlington, North Carolina is known for Zaxby's hot dogs. I personally am not a Zaxby's person. I have always been a through and through Skids person. But I hope you all have liked the video, and if you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, crew. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you all real soon.